I can wield it, but you haven't really.
You held the lightsaber. All right, now in this training pod, ready position? Oh, come on, we can do better than that. You gotta be ready, right?
Yeah.
Ready position. I saw that. That was good. That was good reaction time. You're gonna need that quickly. All right, everyone, turn your awareness to the front. These are training remotes used in lightsaber training for generations. Today, we will continue with this legendary tradition. Now, these training remotes will fire low-power energy blasts, which you must deflect with a lightsaber. But before each blast, you will see a blue tracer beam. This tracer beam is not the blast. It's simply a guide, an indicator to show you where the next blast will be. All right, so when you face the training remote, you will ignite those lightsabers. All right, don't forget to breathe.
So it's like a zigzag. So you're gonna
Okay. Good return to center. I know, I said it's super exciting. Put down grip, very good. If you had your hand raised, please come to the defense wall, grab a shield, and then return back to your position. Now, these shields were built specifically for this training. Very good. Luke Skywalker. He had a teacher, Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. They were a great team. But you know what they did when challenges got really difficult? When they weren't expecting times to be extremely hard, they felt like they couldn't get past the blockade. They stuck together, just like you are right now. You're facing these challenges head on, right? You're not...
Ready or not. Trust, faith, belief. Open yourself to the Force. Then, not just what is can you see, but what will be. Yes. The light of the Force guide you. It will. Then, sense what at last will be. You can.
He said sense where the blast will be. We are going to face the training remote again, but this time with no tracer beam. And Traveler, what is your name? Taya. Taya. You're gonna go first. Okay? But you are ready for this. Everyone, get closer to Taya, as close as you are comfortable. We're gonna be here to support you, Taya, okay? Everyone, in ancient texts, the Force was described as an aura. Some might see a premonition of where the next blast will strike, as if the very air was alive with sparks of light. Taya, I want you to look beyond your saber. Look beyond the training remote, broaden your vision to what surrounds it, and if you see a glimmer, a spark of intuition, that is where you're going to move your saber, everything, your focus, just sensing where that next blast will be, okay? And everyone, we will be searching for signs of the Force with Taya, right?
Yes.
We are together.
As one.
Yes, together.
As one.
Taya, I believe that you can do this, but to truly do this, you need to believe in yourself. Do you believe?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Yes, you do. Okay, everyone, we are in this together as one. Destiny has brought you here. Let your intuition guide you. Let me see that ready position. All right. You've got this, Taya. The Force will guide you. All right. Everyone, take a collective deep breath in.
Don't mess this up.
All right.
It'd be pretty lame.
If you see anything, look beyond the training remote. If you see anything,
Whoa!
yes.
No tracer.
Yes. Yes, deactivate your lightsaber. What you just did, you let your intuition guide you. You are sensitive to the Force. You do. Yes, excellent. Yes! Okay, I would need you all to know that this has been incredibly special. The Force is with you. It's with all of us. It's here.
First steps have you taken? Good. Ready you are for the journey ahead. May the Force be with you.
Indeed. Students, this journey has been turbulent, and it will continue to be so. If I call for your help, will you respond?
Yes.
Okay.